Hello, I'm Carly. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a textured lob haircut. Now you have to make sure that you always ask your client where they part their hair. It's essential, otherwise you will end up with one side way longer than the other side. Now we're going to make two sections starting from the occipital bone angling down to the bottom part of the ear. Okay, so make sure that your client puts their head down, chin on their chest, so you can have clean lines. And we're going to go ahead and make a clean blunt line right through here. Now we're going to continue the same pattern all the way up to the top of the head. So start here, then to the top part of the ear. Now you're going to tell your client to look straight and then turn their head over to the left, and then I like them to look slightly down. We're going to connect the angle from the back to the front. Okay, so now we're going to have her look to her right and then look slightly down. And we're just going to connect the back to the front on this side. Okay, now you're going to stand in front of your client and make sure that you have two even pieces on either side. If you need to make a little adjustment, you do so at this time. So now we're going to dry her and do all the detail cutting when it's dry. We're going to go through and soften up any lines. We're going to do that from here all the way to the top of the head, add a couple layers, and then soften up those bangs. Now we're going to go through and add those soft layers through the top. I like to add more of that detail cutting when it's dry so you can visually kind of see where the hair is laying and make sure that you get that exact look that you're looking for. So this is our finished look. We added some soft layers through the top, brought the bottom up a little bit, added some face framing to really bring out her beautiful face. Now we're going to finish off by doing some soft beachy curls.